in this question, they given the cube root of polynomial. They told the roots are in AP. The roots are in AP. Then what is the roots of the polynomial? So cube root of polynomial, confirm it has three roots. So three roots they asked in AP, we can write as a minus d, a and a plus d. So if you take as a 3 is the roots of the same polynomial, the sum of the all the three roots equal to minus of coefficient of x squared by coefficient of x cubed. Always we can use minus of b by a. So b is a coefficient of x squared, a is a coefficient of x cubed. Like that also you can remaining to write the terms there. So now we write coefficient of x squared value is minus 36 and 9. Already here minus is there, so minus and minus become a plus. 1 9s are 9, 4 9s are 36. So 3a here minus d cancel. So a is 3 times 3a equal to 4, a equal to 4 by 3. Next, then I take multiple of 3 roots. Our aim is to find a and d value. So next I take the multiples of 3 root. Minus a minus d into a plus d. Multiple of all 3 roots equal to constant term by coefficient of x cube. In middle we miss the term, multiply and sum of the two terms a and plus a minus d into a plus d and a into a plus d equal to coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. We didn't use that term because I aim to find a and d value. It's enough for the first and last condition alone enough. So that's why take the multiple of 3 term alone. For that, write minus of constant term by coefficient of x cube. Don't write here coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. So please you have to think and write that place. So now minus and constant term is minus 6 by 9. So minus and minus become plus 6 by 9. I mean multiply a minus b, a plus b. So a squared minus b squared. That a here. We know the value of a value is 4 by 3. Here a squared is there. So 4 by 3 the whole square. 16 by 9. Here a alone is there. So 4 by 3. Bring 4 by 3 this side. Take the reciprocal. Become a 3 by 4. So eliminate. We have a 4 by 3. So now 16 minus d squared equal to 4 by 3. Now bring this side 4 by 3 and bring d squared on the next side. Now take the LCM. Here 9 is there. I want to change the denominator as a 9. So multiply numerator denominator by 3. So 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now denominator is same. Add the subtract the numerator value. Then we get d squared equal to 4 by 9. Then d equal to plus or minus 2 by 3. So when d equal to 2 by 3, already we have a equal to 4 by 3. What is the roots? Substitute the value here a and d value in this place. Able to find the 3 roots. Then again d equal to minus 2 by 3 and a equal to 4 by 3. Simple logic. Same roots right in reverse order. So 2, 4 by 3 and 2 by 3. Same way we have one more sum. They asked the roots are in geometric progress. The second sum the roots are in AB. Third sum they given the roots are in geometric progress. In third question they given polynomial like that. 3x cube and 3x cube minus 26x squared and plus 52x minus 24 equal to 0. Roots are in GB. So AP write a minus d and a plus d. Like that GP can write a by r, a and ar. 3 roots you take like that. Same condition, sum of the 3 roots. So a by r plus a and ar equal to minus of coefficient of x squared by coefficient of x cube. So coefficient of x squared value is minus 26. Coefficient of x cube value is 3. It became a plus 26 by 3. Then you can write multiply and add the roots. Take as equation 1. Then in second place what will come? We have multiply and add a into r a. So a into ar. Then ar by into ar. We didn't find this term because we know we are not going to use that term because it's enough the first and second to find the value of a by r, a and the ar. So no need to find. If we find also no problem. So directly we enter into the multiple of 3 roots. So a by r into a into AR equal to, when multiple of 3 roots, the condition is minus constant term by coefficient of x cube. Here constant term is minus 24 by coefficient of x cube is 3, minus and minus plus, 8 3s are 24 will come. Here r are eliminated, then a cube equal to 8, then a cube equal to 2 cube, then a equal to 2. Now take the a value, substitute in equation 1. Take as the equation 1 to find the r value. So here what will from equation 1, 2 by r plus 2, then 2r equal to 26 by 3. Then cross multiply with r. So 2 plus 2r plus 2r square by r equal to, then 26 by 3. Now cross multiply with 3. So 6 plus 6r plus 6r square equal to 26r. So 6r square plus 6r minus 26r plus 6 equal to 0. Then 6r square minus 20r plus 6 equal to 0. So everything is even number divided by 2. 3r square minus 10r, 3 equal to 0. Now it's a quadratic equation in terms of r. Factorize in term 3 3s are 9. So when multiply, the factor become gives the value 9. When add, it become a minus 10. So select the term like that, minus 9 minus 1. Here coefficient of r square is more than 1. Take the coefficient, divide the factors. So when eliminating, a 3 will come. So you have r minus 3 into r minus 1 by 3 equal to 0. Then r minus 3 equal to 0, r equal to 3. Then r minus 1 by 3 equal to 0, r equal to 1 by 3. Now we know the value already a. So roots are in the form of a by r, comma a and ar. Substitute the value a and r value there. If you take r equal to 3, a equal to 2, then 2 by 3, comma 2, 2 into 3, it become 2 by 3, 2 and 6. So 2 by 3, comma 2, comma 6 are root of the same polynomial. Suppose we take r equal to, if r value is minus 3, r value is 1 by 3, then a value 2, same, change and write the value. So it becomes 6, 2, 2 by 3. If you substitute in that term also, we get the same answer only will come. Simply confirm, arrange the term in reverse. So 6, 2, 2 by 3. When r equal to 1 by 3, a equal to 2.